Hello friends, I am Neel Gupta from 9th class. Today our experiment is based on dilution, means estimating how small are particles of matter. Now I have took 3 glasses and I am filling it with water. Wait some seconds. It is not measured but mostly it is filled same in quantity. Now take potassium permanganate, that is Kmno4, and it will be easily available in any medical shop. You can buy it. It is purple powder in form. Now I have took around 6 grams of potassium. 6 grams, not more than that. Now, now stir it with help of spoon or anything else, wooden stick, etc. Stir it properly. Now you can see this is the mixture of potassium and water H2O. Got it? Now take one test tube or any container and fill it estimatedly around 10 ml. Sorry, around 10 ml. Now see, this is purple in color, obviously because it is purple powder. Now pour this into the another glass to know whether it will be as same as the first glass or not. Now you can see the differences. It is not equal than the first glass because the quantity of matter was more in first glass and less in the second glass. Now we will do the same with third glass. Take test tube again, fill it with water, sorry, 10 ml. Yes, it is estimatedly 10 ml. Now pour it into the third glass. Okay, now we will pour it into the third glass, and whether it will be same as second glass? No, because the quantity of matter is more less than the second glass. See, now to this is not look, it is mostly transparent. So we are adding some more matter, and whether the color will be changed? Yes, because the quantity of matter will increase. Some more. See, you can see slight changes in the color of water. So this was our experiment for today. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye. Make sure to subscribe Hardik sir's channel and follow them.